Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics chapter number 8 continuation of exercise 8.1. Now problem number 15. The mean and variance of 7 observations are 8 and 16. Mean, that is represented by x bar, variance, that is a square of standard deviation, therefore sigma square, that is equal to 16. 5 of the observations are given: 2, 4, 10, 12 and 14. Find the remaining 2 observations. Let the remaining 2 observations be A and B. Out of 7 observations, you are given 5. You have to find the remaining 2. I consider them as A and B. Given x bar, that is equal to 8. We know the formula for x bar, that is sigma xi divided by n, that is equal to 8. Which implies sigma xi means all the 7 observations total. First 5, what are they? 2, 4, 10, 12, 14, and the remaining 2 A and B, plus A plus B, whole divided by n, that is equal to totally 7 observations, that is equal to 8. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 10, 16, 16 plus 12, that is equal to 28, 28 plus 14, that is equal to 42. 42 plus A plus B, that is equal to, if we cross multiply, 7 8s are 56. Again I tell you, if you add everything, you are getting 42 plus A plus B, 7 8s are 56. Then I am retaining A plus B in the left hand side, plus 56 plus 42 comes right hand side, minus 42. Therefore, A plus B, that is equal to 56 minus 42, that is equal to 14. From this equation, you find A or B. I am retaining B in the left hand side. Therefore, 14 minus A, plus A comes right hand side, minus A. Let it be equation number 1. A variance also given. Variance, that is sigma square, that is equal to 16 given. Variance also given. Variance sigma square, that is equal to 16. Variance formula, sigma xi square divided by n minus sigma xi by n, the whole square, that is equal to 16. If it is square root, that is a standard deviation. Without square root, that is called the variance. Okay. So sigma xi square divided by n minus sigma xi by n, that is x bar. X bar formula, sigma xi by n square, that is equal to 16. Now sigma xi squared, write as it is, divided by n, 7 observations. X bar, we know that x bar, that is given as 8. X bar, that is equal to 8. 8 square, that is equal to 16. Sigma xi squared divided by 7 minus 8 squared, 64, that is equal to 16. Sigma xi squared by 7, that is equal to 16. Minus 64 comes right hand side, plus 64. Sigma xi squared divided by 7, that is equal to, if you add, you are getting 80. Therefore, sigma xi squared equals, you have to cross multiply 80 into 7, that is equal to 560. Sigma xi square means sum of the squares of all the 7 observations. First 5 observations given: 2, 4, 10, 12, 14. 2 square, 4 square, next one 10 square, 12 square, 14 square, and remaining 2 observations, one is A square, another one is B square. A and its square, B and its square, because we have square. That is equal to 560. 2 square, that is equal to 4, 4 square is 16, 10 square is 100, 12 square is 144, 14 square is 196, plus A square plus B square, that is equal to 560. Now, have to add everything. If we add, you are getting 460 plus a square plus b square, that is equal to 560. Therefore, a square plus b square equal to 560 plus 460 comes right hand side minus 460. Therefore, a square plus b square equals 100. That is equation number 2. Okay. We know that in equation number 1, b that is equal to, or it is b that is equal to 14 minus a. That is equation number 1. This value can be replaced in equation number 2. B equals 14 minus a. So equation number 2 implies a square plus b square, that is equal to 100. B that is equal to 14 minus a. That is taken from which equation? First equation. Now a square, write as it is. Here you can apply a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A that is 14, b that is a, here 14, here a, that is equal to 100. A square, 14 square is 196, and a square, write as it is. So 2 into 14, 28, into 8, 28a. The plus 100 comes left hand side, minus 100, that is equal to 0. A square plus a square, that is 2a square. Then write minus 28a. 196 minus 100, that is equal to 96, that is equal to 0. Divide by 2. If you divide by 2, you are getting a square minus 14a plus 48 equals 0. 2 to get cancelled. 28 by 2, that is equal to 14, and 96 by 2, that is equal to 48. It can be factorized. 1 into 48 is 48, and the coefficient of a is minus 14. What are the two numbers? 8 and 6. If you add the two numbers, you are getting minus 14, minus 8 minus 6, that is equal to minus 14. If you multiply the two numbers, minus into minus plus, 8 6 are 48. Since it is a quadratic equation, you can get the values of a directly. What is the coefficient of a square? 1. Write minus 1 in denominator. Change the sign. 1 becomes minus 1. Write in the denominator. Now we can cancel minus minus. Here also minus minus. So 8 by 1 is 8. 6 by 1 is 6. So a that is equal to 8 and a that is equal to 6. We got the two numbers a for a. Now we have to find out the values of b. When a that is equal to 8, equation number 1 implies b that is equal to, in equation number 1 we have b that is equal to 14 minus a. 14 minus a value is 8. 14 minus a, that is equal to 6. Suppose when a that is equal to 6, equation 1 implies b that is equal to 14 minus 6, that is equal to 8. Okay, so the two numbers are, if we take a as 8, b that is equal to 6. If we take a as 6, b that is equal to 8. So what are the two numbers? 6 and 8. 8 and 6 or 6 and 8 same only. No, therefore the remaining two numbers are, the remaining two numbers, two observations are 6 and 8, or you can write 8 and 6. Same answer only. So problem number 15 is completed. Thank you, children.